The Department of Sports, Arts and Culture of South Africa has come under fire from the industry following the death of actress Mamnandi Nyembe. Her passing once again highlighted the significant structural failings rather within the country's entertainment industry. Nyembe passed away over the weekend at just the age of 75, just 4 months after she publicly appealed for financial support. Patriotic Allowance leader Gayton McKenzie, who is a department's minister, has been named numerous times in the pleas of people in the industry. Now, taking to social media, McKenzie clapped back, lamenting that he will not take the abuse and detailing all the efforts he has made to help Mamnandi Nyembe's family. After Nyembe's public plea for financial support, Mackenzie gave her 20,000 rands and promised to visit Nyembe upon his return from Cape Town to ensure that she receives the necessary support and assistance to get back on her feet financially. Mackenzie, in a statement, said that he visited the actress' family after her children contacted him and helped the family with taking the body from a government mortuary to a funeral parlor without the children asking. I gave them 20,000 rands for the cake and 10,000 rands rather for the cake and tea for many visitors. I also made my driver available to use the family everywhere they wish to go during this difficult week. I also made another member of my team available with lots of knowledge of a funeral to assist them every day, he wrote. Aside from giving the family 10,000 rands for cake and tea, making his driver available, Mackenzie revealed that the department is paying for the full funeral and made venues available. I now see some artists that was nowhere to be seen when help was needed are now everywhere where there is cameras lambasting me and telling lies. Mackenzie had recently said that the situation for actor Glenn Gabella, who was also publicly asked for financial support, was being overlooked into the department. In his post, he revealed that he had also made a personal contribution to the actor's plea. I dispatched a team to go help with paintings and renovations. I got a list of furnitures needed. I ordered it and it will be delivered when paintings is done. I also sent him 10,000 rands for groceries. McKinsey added that soon there will be funeral cover, hospitals care, and policy payouts, and that there have been changes made to the Copyright Amendment Bill and engaged TikTok for fair compensation for all. At her memorial service, actress Lerato Mvelase, who was one of the program director, had sharp words for the department's deputy director, Busiso Tsanyani. I know this was not a space where political issues should be addressed, but there is something I need to say, said Velase. Mr. Sibusiso, I urge you to let the minister know that going forward, artists will no longer allow the department to come and celebrate with us. It is not a fight with the department, it is a fight with the system which has been putting actors down for our whole lives, she said.